This video demonstrates how to adjust the upper clamp when its position on the iron front fork has shifted. First, use a tool to loosen the screws inside. Repeat the same operation on the other side. After loosening them, press it down by hand. Next, loosen the stem screws. Then, tighten this screw. After tightening it, secure this screw as well. Once the screws on the other side are also tightened, align the handlebar direction properly. After aligning it, tighten the stem screws again. That completes the adjustment.